We are continuing with the cone. In this question, we are asked to find out how many meters of canvas, which is 1.25 meter wide, will be needed to make a conical tent whose base radius is 17.5 meter and height is 6 meters. So what we have to do is we have to make a conical tent like this, and this is the radius and this is the height, and this height is equal to 6 meters and radius is equal to 17.5 meters. So we have to create a tent with the help of a canvas. So here is a cloth which we have to use and create a conical tent, and the width of this cloth, that is breadth of this cloth, is given 1.25 meters, right? And he wants us how many meters of canvas. That means we have to calculate the length of this cloth so that we can create a shape of a conical tent with this. Now one thing you have to note here is that when we create a tent, we do not consider the bottom part, this part, right? Now when do we not consider this bottom part? In which area? Curved surface area, right? Total surface area. In total surface area, we calculate the curved surface area as well as the area of the base. Here we don't have to make the base with the help of the canvas. We have to only create the conical tent whose base is not made with the help of the canvas. So which area we will take into consideration? Obviously curved surface area, right? So we can say that curved surface area of this tent will be equal to the area of the cloth, right? We have to make the tent equal to the curved surface area of this tent of the cloth. Fine. Now our curved surface area is pi r L, which is equal to area of the cloth, that is length into width of this cloth, 1.25, right? Now there is no mention of pi to be used as 3.14, so we are safe. We can use 22/7. Radius is given 17.5, so that is 175 upon 10 into L. This L we don't have. We have to calculate this. Now length of the cloth is something that we are looking for. Into this we can write as 125/100. Now how do I find this L? I know that this is the slant height. This is 90 degree. So L square is equal to H square plus R square. So L square is equal to H, I have 6 meters, so 6 square. R, I have 17.5 whole square. So my L square will be 36 plus 17.5 into 17.5 is 306.25. So my L square is equal to 342.25. So L is equal to square root of this 342.25. So my L is equal to 18.5 meters. I have found the value of this L. Now I will come back here and substitute the value of this L. So here 7 2s are 14, 7 5s are 5 5s are 5 2s are 2 11s are. So I got 55 into 185 upon 10.10 equal to L into 25 5s are 25 4s are 5 upon 4. Now I can calculate the value of L. This also I can simplify. 5 3s are 15, 3 5 7s are 35, 5 2s are. So finally I have 55 into 37 into this 4 divided by this 2 into this 5 equal to L. So 2 2s are 4, 5 11s are. So I have 22 into 37 equal to length. So 37 into 22 is 814 meters of cloth is required to make a conical tent whose base radius is 17.5 and height is 6 meters. Now another one. A circus tent is cylindrical to a height of 3 meters. So there is a tent which is cylindrical up to the height of 3 meters. Right? So this is 3 meters. Okay. And conical above it. Above it, it is conical. Like this. Okay. This is our tent. If its diameter is 105, that means its radius will be 105 upon 2, which is 52.5 meters. And slant height of the conical portion is 53 meter. Now, which is our conical portion? This one. Slant height is 53 meters. He wants you to calculate the length of the canvas. Same thing we have to do. And the width of the cloth is given 2.5 meters. Now he wants us to calculate the length of the canvas, which we can use. Now one thing you have to understand here, that the radius of the conical base and the radius of the cylindrical base are same, because it is the conical portion is standing on the cylindrical portion, right? Now he wants us to calculate the length of this cloth in meters. Again the same thing. What we will do, we will take into consideration the curved surface area of this cylinder and curved surface area of this conical portion. So our total area will be CSA of cylinder plus CSA of cone, and that will be equal to area of the cloth, which is equal to length into 2.5 meters. Now what is CSA of cylindrical portion? We know that it is 2 pi r h plus, what is the curved surface area of the conical portion? It is pi. R is same, so I am writing same, and slant height L is equal to this length of the cloth into 2.5. Fine. Now what I can do is I can take pi and R common here. So I am left with 2H plus L, and that is equal to L into 25 by 10. Right? Now, there is no mention of pi to be taken as 3.14. So, I will take pi here as 22 by 7. R I have 52.5. Let me take it as 105 divided by 2 into 2 height. What is my height? I don't have height. Height is given 3 meters. So this height is 3 meters. Okay, height is of this cylinder, which is 3 meters, into 3 plus slant height is 53. This is of this, is equal to 5 5s are 5, 2s are 5L upon 2. Right? Now this 2 and this 2 will go. 7 1s are 7, 7 5s are. So you have 22 into 15. 6 plus 53 is 59, equal to 5L, length of the cloth. So your L is equal to now 22 into 15 into 59 divided by this 5. So 5 3s are 15. So finally your length is equal to 66 into 59. So your length is equal to 3894 meters. So you will need 3894 meters of canvas whose width is 2.5 meters to create a tent like this.